shooting out of the window. Right there, that window right there just had muzzle flash.
We're not going to strike right now. They're going to push us down 144. We're trying to get...
Come on.
Because we
know there was civilian, we had... last calling station is Crazy Horse 10, flight 2864 responding to the tick of zone 30. Have eyes on the building, which is taking fire. I'd like to sit rep. See if we get clearance to engage that building. I'm trying right now.
I need you to engage the building just northeast of us. We are putting small arms fire on it right now, break.
We're clear to engage.
100, over.
This is Crazy Horse 10, roger, I understand. Clearance to fire the building. We have eyes on building that you are putting small arms fire into. We'll be engaging at this time. Alright, but you got to engage the western side. Yep, I know. Wait till we come back around.
Yep.
10, would you like 30 millimeter or do you want us to put a missile in there?
Can you also go?
Everything you got. Complete destruction of the building, over.
Crazy Horse 10, roger, we'll be putting missiles.
4-4, channel 3, and we're clear to engage.
We're Crazy Horse 10, roger.
I'm going to shoot it with 30 millimeter first.
Roger, we're going to shoot it with 30.
That's fine.
Right.
Okay, you on the building?
Yep, I'm on it.
Zoom into that window.
I am.
Right there. Zoom in.
I am as far as I can go.
Okay, laze it.
I'm lasing.
You are cleared to shoot.
All right, engaging.
Do it again, a little higher. Clear left.
ID watching.
Roger.
7,
Crazy Horse 1, go ahead.
All right, be advised, we are taking small arms fire from the blue car building to the east of us, about 200 meters from the DAC hall, over.
I got the gun. I have the gun.
All right, you got the gun?
So we just took mortar fire. Can you spot a blue car, over?
We're currently engaged in the building.
Hey, Roger, you engaging the blue car?
Does it have a light on the right side?
That looks like the one.
Okay.
Any crazy
That's
horse
it,
out
that's
there?
it.
Top Cosmod, over.
All right, I've got low ball box.
Yeah, what's your range? Crazy Horse 1, go ahead.
1100
You're
meters.
cleared.
Firing.
All right, be advised, we are taking small arms fire from the blue tarp building to the east of us, about 200 meters from the DAC hall, over.
Breaking, and Roger, wingman just engaged.
Also, we just took mortar fire. Can you spot a blue side, over?
You line of sight to the left a little bit.
Okay.
Building. And,
Probably about 50
yeah,
to
your
100 meters, over.
constraints, lays, make sure you're,
Under 1100 meters.
okay, you're cleared. Okay, breaking left. And, last call, Crazy Horse 1,